This video will cover GeoOps map product standards. The purpose of having map product standards is to ensure that maps are readable and uniform. As the wildland fire community has come to rely more on web and mobile-based map products, the standards are also flexible enough to be applied to both hard copy and digital products. The primary specifications of the standards are that the map clearly communicates the intended message. Standard cartographic colors are utilized. For example, blue is used to display water, and green is used to display vegetation. The map contains standard map elements, which we refer to as STANDL SGD. While the primary function of the GISS is to produce incident maps, the following roles and responsibilities of the Situation Unit Leader and GIS Specialist are important to note. The Situation Unit Leader is the point of contact in the Situation Unit for all map requests. They prioritize map requests, determine which maps to produce, and ensure that there are enough GISS in the unit to cover the workload. The Situation Unit Leader develops timelines for map production based on the planning cycle and communicates deadlines to the GISS. They direct the use of logos and approve final versions of maps. The GISS generates map products on time for scheduled briefings and other meetings as communicated by the Situation Unit Leader. The GISS uses GeoOps map product standards as general guidelines and may deviate at the direction of the Situation Unit Leader, or PSC, to meet the need of the incident if required. The GISS should also communicate to the Situation Unit Leader if there is not enough GISS capacity to cover the workload requested. There are 11 standard map products. The Air Operations Map provides air operations personnel with enough detail to aid in locating key features on an incident. A secondary Air Operations Map, the Pilot Map, may be created for pilots. The Briefing Map is displayed in the briefing area and used during operational briefings. It is a simplified, large-format map of the incident area that is used to discuss work assignments and other operational details. The Facilities Map shows the layout of the incident facilities at the Incident Command Post, ICP, or Incident Base Camp, and is included in the Incident Action Plan. The Incident Action Plan map is the primary map used by field operations personnel, and it is an essential tool for firefighter safety. The IAP map effectively communicates incident management objectives in addition to geographic and incident features. The Operations Map displays geographic and incident features for use by operations personnel, such as Operations Section Chiefs, Operations Branch Directors, and Division and Group Supervisors, either in the Incident Command Post or out in the field. The Ownership Map shows the surface land ownership or jurisdictional agencies for the area impacted by the incident. It is used to determine incident cost sharing and is required to be included in the incident documentation package. The Progression Map shows the areas affected by the incident over time. This map is also required to be included in the incident documentation package. The Public Information Map keeps the public informed of the incident's location. It is used in public meetings and for bulletin boards and displays. The Repair Map is used to assist in tracking suppression repair efforts in the area of the incident. The Strategic Operations Map displays an incident management team's long-term strategy in managing an incident and the data that informs the strategy. Finally, the Transportation Map provides an overview of the transportation network in the incident vicinity to support safe transportation. This map is used to facilitate land-based delivery and extraction of equipment, supplies, and personnel to and from the incident location. Keep in mind that the National Incident Feature Service is designed to store all incident data, but it doesn't mean that all of the data needs to be displayed on each map. If you're unsure of which features to display on a given map product, consult with your Situation Unit Leader and try out a couple of tools available to you in the GeoOps Incident Directory. The Def Query Builder is an Excel file in the Tools folder of the GeoOps directory that helps build definition queries for each layer in the NIFs that you may want to filter on a map product. There are suggested queries for relevant map product standards. In the Pro Project template, The same queries that are suggested in the Def Query Builder are already built into each layer's definition query properties. They just need to be turned on when you get to the Create Incident Maps and Digital Products step of the GISS workflow.